Best RAMs for gaming PC under $200. Are you looking for RAMs for gaming under $200? Or want to give your laptop a cool upgrade? Then this video is for you. Let's check out these 5 best RAMs that are best for gaming PC under $200. 1. Olear DDR4 RAM. It's a DDR4 RAM and comes with single RAM, which is 8GB of total size. Compatible with both Intel and AMD processors. Has frequency of 3000 MHz. Comes with a lifetime warranty. 2. Corsair Vengeance. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro Series DDR4 memory lights up your PC with mesmerizing dynamic multi-zone RGB lighting. Delivers the best in DDR4 performance and stability. Every module boasts 10 individually controlled RGB LEDs, while wire-free design makes installation simple. Comes with 2 packs of 8GB and 8GB, compatible with AMD and Intel series. 3. Patriot Viper. Has capacity of 16GB, which is 8GB and 8GB. Patriot's Viper RGB series memory modules are designed for extreme performance. Built and tested for the latest Intel and AMD platforms. With the unique aluminum heat shield and aggressive design, the Viper RGB series DRAM will look good in any build. 4. Alloy DDR4 RAM. A DDR4 RAM comes with 2x16GB, total of 32GB. Has frequency of 2666 MHz. Compatible with both AMD and Intel platforms. The company provides lifetime warranty. 5. Team Group DForce. Comes with the same capacity of 2x16GB, which is 32GB total capacity. The Team Group DForce game series has relaunched the new Delta RGB luminous memory module. The heat spreader is built with a lighter, thinner and high-quality metal material. The extraordinary revolution will provide players with a new experience never seen before. Try these out and we can assure that these will surely help you gain maximized productivity in your gaming. Give us your views on these products in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. Bye now. Links are in the description.